Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back. For today's nail art tutorial, I am going to show you how to create these really cute blooming flowers. I actually came across a tutorial from another nail tech, so this is not my idea. I'm literally just going to take her tutorial and to show how to do this here because I actually thought this was a really cool idea. So I just kind of want to recreate that here on my channel. So right over here is her account. So go ahead and you can look at her videos and her nail art. Her work is absolutely amazing. So this is her video and you can see that it is really simple and is not that hard to do. So let's break it down step by step. So for the base, I am using magic gels. I just have a little sample in the meantime. It is from their HEMA-free builder line. It is the color Marshmallow. As you can see, it's a really nice, soft, simple white. I'm gonna have to order like a full-size bottle soon because this is a really, really nice, like white, marshmallowy builder. All of the gel polish I am using is from Profile's Babe Gel Polish line. So for the white, it is the color Angel. In the black, I am using the color Raven. For the yellow, I am using Robin. And this color I am using, this is like a fuchsia, like a really bright fuchsia color, and it is the color Paisley. Now, for the blooming part of this, now if anyone knows, I have a HEMA allergy. Now, most blooming gels do have HEMA in them. So, what really sparked my interest after seeing her video, and then I tried this off camera, and this is why I decided to do a tutorial on this, and I am giving her credit because this is her design, but I am actually using from the Babe collection, I'm using the bonding base gel for my blooming gel. So yes, if anyone has a HEMA allergy, you got that right, you can use the bonding base gel and substitute for a blooming gel. So design one, let's put these 4 colors on my little black palette and let's go through all the steps. I will need something like this at some point, so I will have to use a tiny amount of loose glitter, dotting tools, and some sort of an art brush. This is the double-ended liner brush from EnVogue, so something along this lines. So first off, when you're done curing this, you're gonna wipe off the inhibition layer. Since this was magic gel and I'm going in with another different company, I wiped off the tacky layer. Then I'm gonna put in the bonding base gel from Babe on top of this, and this is gonna act as my blooming gel. And then I'm not going to cure this. I'm gonna go in with my first color, which is my fuchsia. The dots are gonna be over here. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3. Then I'm gonna flip this over. Go 1, 2, 3. Drop that down. get my art brush. Okay. Going with a small little dot of white and just pull that through. I'm gonna wipe that off. And you wanna work fast since this is a blooming gel. So you wipe it off on your palette. This is how I figured it out from doing this. I'm not sure if this is how she actually does this. Then I'm gonna take this, put this in the lamp, and cure it according to manufacturer's instructions. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with an even tinier dotting tool. So I'm gonna use the white end, the white one, the white spiral one, but the tinier side, so this. And we're gonna take the black and add little teeny dots. Okay, and then once you add the dots, then put it back in the lamp and cure it. Now we're gonna go in with the matte top coat from the Babe line. You can do a matte top coat, a shiny top coat. I actually really love the way this looks when this one is done with the matte top coat. Now on for the next design. This is what I did, and this is her video, as you can see it right over next to me over here. And this is what I ended up creating. Now, just literally sitting here while I'm doing this video, I'm still gonna do the flowers the same exact way, but I actually wanna change the background color up. So for the background color, instead of doing black with gold, instead of doing black, I'm still gonna do the gold glitter, but I'm actually gonna do a purple background, and it's the color Zoey. This is the first design, and this is how it came out of the lamp. I actually really like this, and this is her result, and this is the nail text result. So you can see that from hers to mine, I did change up the background ever so slightly, so I didn't do the glitter on the top, but the primary part with the flowers, I did keep that how she did it. So how do you like it? I never thought to do a blooming flower like this. So I actually really like this, and it's a really cool idea. Now that we have the glitter on here, we're gonna go back in with the bonding base gel and use this as our blooming gel. We're gonna take a larger dotting tool. Okay, we're gonna go in with our white. We're gonna do 3 dots here and 3 dots up here. 1, 2, 3. 3. And I want these to just sit and bloom for a minute. Especially these up here. When this comes out, you need to add the black section over here for your flower. So just tiny. like a tiny little half circle. And then all of this underneath is going to get filled in. So whatever part bloomed funny with the blooming gel, you can hide that with the black. So all of this that bloomed funny, you can hide that. What I want to do is I want to take out the extra color that is in my brush. I don't want a lot of black that is sitting in my brush. So it'll look something like this. So I'll still have black sitting on my brush, but not a lot. I'm gonna take, I want those little black wispy lines in the white, but I want the brush to be almost dry. So you're just gonna take whatever black is sitting in the dot that you just did, very light pressure, and just pull. Like this. Okay, and there you get your little thin lines to fill in your flower. Okay. And if you have too much gel on your brush, you will see it as you're pulling up these lines. Okay. And once you're done, pop this in the lamp and give it a cure. I'm gonna put little like yellow gold dots in the center of my flowers. This is from Magic Gel. This is their gold styler, and this is the color. So I'm just gonna go in with a dotting tool once again. Theme of the night, dotting tools. Dotting tools and blooming gel. Just like that, just tiny little dots. So I might bring out just a little bit. There you go. There you go. Pop this in the lamp and give it a cure. Here is a nice close-up look of how everything turned out. Let me know what you think. Do you like the little blooming gel hack with the bonding base gel from Profiles Backstage with the Babe collection? Are you gonna try it out? Everything that I use will be listed in the description box below. If you want to see more like recreation tutorials like this, let me know in the comment section down below. If you ever see a tutorial that you want me to try to recreate, or a photo on social media that you want me to try to recreate, send it to me on Instagram and I can try to break it down and do a YouTube tutorial out of it. And I hope to talk to you soon, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.